afternoon, my friends. I hope that Sunday was a good Sunday for you. I hope that you had a nice, relaxing day. We have done nothing really today but just sat around. I did go out in the garden, and I did get some sugar snap peas. Everything else is looking good, but I don't expect any other harvest from anything else until August. So it is 85 degrees out, and it feels like it's 83 degrees out and it feels like 88. 70% humidity. Good thing that we have air conditioning. So I am working on my fairy dust afghan while I'm waiting for the cherry jam to finish processing in the water bath. I am using my Presto electric canner for that. We need more jelly jars, so tomorrow Jerry's going to run in town, pick up some more Panona's pectin and some more jelly jars, so that we can do the second batch of the cherry jam and do some blueberry jam. And then I'm going to freeze the rest of that 10-pound blueberries, but I'm going to do a couple of blueberry pie frozen filling, and when I do that, I'll take you along to show you how I'm doing it. So we are just enjoying the quietness of the day, and had my smoothie this morning, and for lunch Jerry made his what we call Mile High meatloaf muffins. They're done in the muffin pan, and he also did mashed potatoes, and we had sweet corn from a local farmer. There will be no supper tonight, but I know that he's making his cookies, so I'll be having a couple of those. But you would have saw the video of the pilatids. We have a family of them, so we have a juvenile and the parent, and it has been so nice to watch them interact out here as she feeds her baby. We normally have not seen anything like that, so it was nice to see. But other than that, I'm going to let you go, and I wish a great week for you, an on-track week. Whatever journey you are going through, I hope that it is a great one, and we've got this. I'm just sitting here looking out the window, and that pilatid is out here on the bird feeder. So you'll probably hear, hopefully not, Jerry's got the TV going up a little louder than normal, and that means that must be his ears are plugged. So, but anyways, I'm going to let you go, my friends, and yeah, I'll chit chat with y'all later. Thanks again, my friends. See you on Monday.